Hello students, this is question number 20th of IOQM 2025 and 26. The question says that N be a 9-digit numbers that can be obtained by permuting the digits 2 times 2, 3 times 3 and 4 times 4, and which have at least 1 3 to the right of the rightmost occurrence of 4. Then what is the remainder when n is divided by 100? Now, to find such numbers which satisfy this relation, first of all, I'm going to write that total minus the total number of numbers that is going to be possible minus if all the threes are to the leftmost of 4. So whenever at least word comes, then in most of the cases, we will be doing the same process itself. Now, the total number of numbers that will be possible, that is going to be equal to simply uh, 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 4 factorial. Now, this, if I'm going to calculate, that is going to be equal to 1260. Now, we need to find the numbers in which all the threes are coming to the leftmost of 4. Now, if we have a 9-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, all the three have to come before this 4. So, 3 times 3 is going to come over this place, and 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4 is going to come at this place. And after that, all the things is going to happen. Means the first 6 places in the least case is been occupied. Then we can see that the last 4 that can come over here will be at this point. Means the 7th place that 4 can come. So this is case number 1 if I'm going to solve. So case number 1 is that 4 will be coming at this point, and 2 is coming at this point, and 2 is coming at this point. Now the numbers we are left with is 3 times 3s we are left with, and 3 times 4s we are left with. Now these 3 3s and 4 4s are to be placed into these 6 places, and that can be done in. Now selecting any 3 place for any 3 and placing them will be only 1. Now this is case number 1. Case number 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now 4 can come at the 8th place as well, and 2 will be at this place. So we can see that we are left with 3 threes, we are left with 3 fours, and we are left with 1, 2 also over here. So this can be done, or the number of numbers that can be framed from here, that is going to be equal to 7 factorial divided by, we have 3 factorial and again 3 factorial. So this, if I'm going to calculate, that will be equal to 140. Now this one came out to be 20. Now this is the case number 2. Now case number 3, if I'm going to see, so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now 4 can come at the last place. Now we are left with 3 threes, we are left with 3 fours, and 2 twos. Now the number of numbers that can be framed from here, that will be equal to 8 factorial divided by, we have 3 factorial, 3 factorial, and 2 factorial. So this total will come out to be equal to 560. Now the total number of numbers that is coming out to be 1260. Now the cases which is in favor of all the threes are coming to the leftmost of the 4. So that will be 20 plus 140 plus 560. So this is going to come out to be equal to 540. Now this will be the value of n. In a question, they are asking us what will be the remainder when n is divided by 100. So if n is divided by 100 means they're talking about the last 2 digits. So last 2 digits is going to be equal to 40. So which makes 40 as the correct answer, and the same is been given by IOQM final answer key as well.